YouTube, I'm here. Going to the doctor's appointment. Just wanted to show y'all how pretty the mountains were. Try to get under the rear view mirror. Got it dug and pouring rain again. It's not coming down too bad though, it's just raining. It's not like a storm. But anyway, I've got it pretty good now, just 60 more feet to go. That's the length of the house. YouTubers, what's going on? I hear Kim coming out. It's about 12:30. Hi, baby. You want to come sit down? Huh?
No, the animals are out.
Come sit down. It won't be. I won't be long. I got the swing fixed. The old eye bolt that was in up there. Better watch, we might fall. Everybody laugh again. The old eye bolt that was up in the ceiling, the loft. It had. I put a picture on Instagram. The threads were slick. I mean, they had worn out. It just pulled straight down. It didn't tire out. I looked up in the hole with the flashlight. It didn't tire out the stud that it was in or nothing. It just slid right out like a nail. So I bought, I don't know, about a 2-inch longer eye bolt and thicker around. Had to put it up in there with a screwdriver and turn it, you know, a long screwdriver, give me some leverage. My pipe was done good until I started talking. It goes out. By the way, I'm smoking Milan Colonial Pastime in my LCS. It's probably one of my favorite pipes. It's the blue stem with the white ivory, and it is the Series 1 Mimo briar that I got and sent to Simon, and Simon made me this pipe out of it. And it's y'all know I love my honey pipe because of the blend that I smoke in it, and I like my other pipe like this that I smoke Stardust. And but this pipe is really special to me because I bought the briar, I bought everything. I bought the ivory, I sent it to Simon. I bought the briar. It's the only Series 1 I've ever seen. Usually on Mimo you get Series 3 and some Series 2. But the Series 1 is usually for real expensive. And they don't come on the market much. So I was I saw 2 of these and I bought one. And Simon did a wonderful job. You know, I don't know. I brag on all the pipe makers we have, but I haven't specifically bragged on Simon's pipe making abilities in a while. But the pipes are so that he makes. The draw is just awesome. And not only that, the mouthpiece, when you clench it, it just feels good. And it's I like his pops. That's why I have several. But that's not to say my Petersons don't smoke good. They do. You know, my Savinellis smoke good, but I don't know. They're not well, my Savinellis are now 9mm. I have one more to convert to send off to Briarville to have converted from 6mm to 9mm. But they've done 2, and then all mine except for the matches pipe will be converted. And I'll never convert that. I'll never touch it. But anyway, took my sugar. I know a lot of you we talked a lot about my sugar. Took my sugar. My sugar was 376 tonight before bedtime, and then I'll have to take it in the morning. It's high, so we're trying to get it down. Trying as hard as I can, and I guess I'll have to change some meds too. I got to make a video tomorrow for Steve and Miss Kathy. They said that they sent me and Kim and the kids stuff, and yeah, Amber will be home tomorrow evening. I found out today. I didn't think she'd be home to Friday, but she don't have no classes Friday, so she works. She has a job down there. She works from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. And so after 3, she can leave and hopefully be home by 5 or 6 tomorrow night before dark. And then we'll do that video. Miss Kathy said she wanted us to do that video inside, that way we didn't tear the swing up again. So we'll do that video inside. I get tickled. I love Steve and Miss Kathy. They're just good, good-hearted people, and like all the rest of you. I mean, we have a great group of people. I love y'all to death. But I ain't gonna make this video long. It's been raining, so I want to include that. And then for the people that wasn't on the live, I'll show you what I've been doing outside. I've been digging a little bit, so I include that, like a 30-second video or something. But that's really basically all I got. And that's what's happening. I'm not going to make it long. I know y'all don't like watching long videos, and I'm here to give you what you want. If you don't want long ones, I won't make long ones. Every what y'all want, I'm fine with. So anyway, I hope you're smoking the blends that you love and the pipes that you love. Much love to you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. God bless you. See you later.